Imagine the thunderous roar of water, a breathtaking spectacle of nature's power and majesty. Welcome to Niagara Falls. This awe-inspiring marvel, straddling the international border between Canada and the United States, is a testament to the unyielding force and beauty of nature. Cascading over the edge of the Niagara Escarpment, these falls have been a source of inspiration and wonder for centuries, drawing in adventurers and dreamers from around the globe. Niagara Falls is steeped in rich history, from its formation over 12,000 years ago at the end of the last ice age to its storied past involving indigenous tribes, European explorers, and daredevils seeking to conquer its mighty waters. Today it stands as a symbol of natural grandeur and a cherished landmark shared by two nations. Now, prepare to embark on a thrilling journey as we count down the top 10 attractions and tips for visiting Niagara Falls. Kicking off our countdown at number 10 is the mesmerizing Journey Behind the Falls. This isn't your average sightseeing tour, oh no. Here, you'll find yourself descending by elevator deep into the heart of Niagara Falls. The thundering sound of the water cascading down is a sensory experience unlike any other. You'll be led through a series of tunnels, each offering a unique perspective of the falls from behind. It's a chance to marvel at the raw power and beauty of nature up close. The journey behind the falls is open year-round, with ticket prices varying by season. Expect to pay around $20 for adults and $14 for children during peak season. Off-peak prices are slightly cheaper. This journey isn't just about the destination, it's about the experience. You'll feel the mist on your face, hear the roar in your ears, and see the majesty of the falls from a viewpoint few get to experience. Remember, you may get a little wet, but the view is worth it. At number 9, step into a world of fun and excitement at Clifton Hill. This vibrant and lively street is often described as the street of fun, thanks to its numerous entertainment options. From the thrilling skywheel, offering panoramic views of the falls, to the sprawling indoor water park, Clifton Hill is a hub of non-stop action. Individual tickets for attractions range from a modest $10 to around $25, or consider one of the value-packed fun passes. When hunger strikes, you're spoiled for choice. Dine in the heart of the action at one of the many themed restaurants, or indulge in sweet treats from the local candy shops. Whether you're in the mood for a quick bite or a sit-down meal, Clifton Hill's diverse dining options won't disappoint. So, if you're seeking a place where excitement and entertainment are the order of the day, look no further. Clifton Hill, where fun meets thrills. Number 8 takes us up in the air with the Whirlpool Aero Car. Imagine being suspended in mid-air, crossing the international border between Canada and the United States over a spectacular whirlpool. This is the experience offered by the Whirlpool Aero Car, a cable car designed by the Spanish engineer Leonardo Torres Quevedo over a century ago in 1913. This antique cable car, which still operates today, provides a unique and exhilarating aerial view of the Niagara Whirlpool, a natural phenomenon that will leave you breathless. While you marvel at the view, remember that you're riding in a piece of history. Ticket prices are quite reasonable, considering the unforgettable experience. Adults can enjoy this journey for under $20, while children between 6 and 12 years can join in for less than $15. A thrilling ride that offers a unique perspective of the falls. At number 7, immerse yourself in the enchanting world of the Butterfly Conservatory. This tropical paradise, home to over 2,000 free-flying butterflies from around the world, offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle. Wander among exotic plants and colorful winged creatures as you soak in the tranquil ambience. The ticket price is reasonably set, offering an affordable gateway into this world of wonder. A visit to the Butterfly Conservatory truly is a peaceful retreat from the rush of the falls. Number 6 takes us to new heights at the Skylon Tower. This soaring beacon offers a panoramic view of the falls that's simply breathtaking. The tower's revolving dining room serves up exquisite meals with a side of unforgettable vistas. And the ticket prices? They're quite reasonable considering you're getting the best seat in the house to one of nature's most spectacular displays. Whether you're a foodie, a nature lover, or just someone who appreciates a good view, the Skylon Tower delivers. Skylon Tower, the best view in town. At number 5, take a break from the falls and visit the charming town of Niagara-on-the-Lake. Nestled in the heart of Ontario's wine country, this quaint town brims with history. Once the site of intense battles during the War of 1812, it now stands as a beacon of peaceful serenity. As you stroll through the tree-lined streets, you'll find a myriad of dining options to tantalize your taste buds. From cozy bistros serving farm-to-table cuisine to gourmet restaurants with world-class wine cellars, there's a culinary adventure waiting at every corner. But the allure of Niagara-on-the-Lake doesn't stop at its delectable dining. Its unique attractions include the Shore Festival, a world-renowned theatre event, and Fort George, a historic military structure that offers a glimpse into Canada's past. And let's not forget the vineyards. With over 30 wineries in the region, it's a haven for wine lovers. So take a sip, enjoy the view, and immerse yourself in the town's enchanting atmosphere. A charming detour on your Niagara adventure. Coming in at number 4, brace yourself for the ultimate water adventure with Hornblower Niagara Cruises. Imagine gliding on the shimmering water, feeling the cool mist on your face as you draw nearer to the thunderous roar of Niagara Falls. This isn't just a boat ride, it's an immersive experience that brings you up close and personal with the awe-inspiring power of nature. Now, let's talk about the heart of the experience, the close-up view of the falls. As the boat ventures into the billowing mist, you're treated to a breathtaking spectacle. The falls in all their majestic glory are right there, almost within arm's reach. It's a view that's simply unmatched. And what about ticket prices? Well, they're quite reasonable. For a standard adult ticket, you're looking at around 25 Canadian dollars. That's a small price to pay for such an unforgettable journey. Prepare to get soaked and thrilled. At number 3, take a tranquil stroll through the Niagara Park's botanical gardens. This verdant oasis, spanning over 100 acres, is home to a diverse array of plants from all corners of the world. Each step you take reveals another botanical wonder, from the vibrant hues of the rose garden to the towering trees in the arboretum. Here the air is filled with a symphony of nature, rustling leaves, buzzing insects, and the gentle murmur of the wind. It's a serene environment that invites you to pause, breathe, and reconnect with nature. The garden's design encourages exploration, with winding paths leading to unexpected discoveries at every turn. The best part? Admission is absolutely free. Yes, you heard it right. This natural treasure is open to all, encouraging visitors to immerse themselves in its tranquil beauty without any cost. So whether you're a plant enthusiast or simply seeking a peaceful retreat, the Niagara Park's botanical gardens are a must-visit. A serene escape amidst the rush of the falls. Now, for our top 2. At number 2, explore the beauty of Niagara Falls State Park. As America's oldest state park, it offers an awe-inspiring landscape that's been captivating hearts for over a century. With its lush greenery and panoramic views, this park is a haven for nature lovers. The park is home to attractions such as the Cave of the Winds, where you can walk right up to the base of the Bridal Veil Falls. Or perhaps you'd prefer the Aquarium of Niagara, a sanctuary for aquatic life from around the globe. And for those looking to indulge in a gastronomic delight, the Top of the Falls restaurant offers a menu as captivating as its views of the falls. The best part? Admission to the park is absolutely free. But the adventure doesn't stop here. Our number 1 attraction awaits, the iconic Maid of the Mist. This legendary boat ride takes you into the heart of the roaring mist of Niagara Falls. Feel the cool spray on your face and the thunderous sound of the water crashing down as you get a close-up view of one of nature's most powerful spectacles. The Maid of the Mist tour operates from late April to early November, weather permitting, and tickets can be purchased on the day of your visit. Prices for adults are $20.75, and for children 6 to 12 years old, the price is $12.65. Children under 5 ride for free when accompanied by an adult. So whether you're a thrill seeker, a nature lover, or a foodie, Niagara Falls has something for everyone. From the tranquility of the state park to the exhilarating Maid of the Mist, Niagara Falls offers an adventure like no other.